In this video, I will show you how to unlock your creative potential by using the drawing tools in Adobe Express to create beautiful sketch artwork. Whether you are starting from scratch or adding a personal touch to a current project, the process is incredibly intuitive. To get started from the homepage, simply look for the large plus icon and click it. In the search bar that appears, type the word drawing and select the corresponding option to open a fresh canvas. If you are already working inside a project, do not worry because you can easily access these tools by navigating to the Elements tab on the left and selecting the Draw a Shape option. Once your canvas is ready, it is time to choose your brush. Adobe Express offers a fantastic range of styles found in the left panel, including basic strokes, vibrant multicolor brushes, and realistic art supplies that mimic real pencils or markers. After you have picked your favorite style, you can customize the appearance to fit your vision. Use the size slider to adjust the thickness of your stroke and browse the color swatches to find the perfect shade for your masterpiece. Now that your tools are set, you can begin to sketch. You have the freedom to use your mouse, a touchscreen,